the first thing right off the bat that I tell, because I get asked this question all the time. It's people don't understand the difference between full and limited tort. What I've seen with folks with insurance is that, unlike a lot of other things, people just don't want to pay for insurance. They just view it as a nuisance, and they want to try to drive the best bargain. But the best bargain isn't necessarily what makes the most sense for you and your family. You need to make sure that you have the right coverage. Once you figure out what coverage is right for you and what you can afford, then you can shop around from different carriers. There might be a little bit of a difference. One carrier might be a little bit cheaper than the rest, but it's not something to cheap out on. Because one of the first discussions, my first things I say when I meet with people is that there's one thing I can't change in this process, one thing and one thing only, and that's the insurance coverage that's available. That's dictated that the moment the accident happens, it's a snapshot in time. Whatever your coverage is at that point, that's what we have to deal with. And everything with these cases is driven by insurance. I mean, we can talk about going after people's assets and things of that nature, but the reality is I can only guarantee I can recover for you what they have in insurance, and also what you have in insurance on your policy, which kind of segues into, when you're shopping for insurance, what's important. Well, first and foremost, full tort. If you have limited tort, you get cheaper insurance, but the trade-off is you can't recover for certain items of damage.